Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what are the variables in Python. See, variables are basically containers for storing the data. So you have already seen that we have declared the variables like x equal to y equal to 4 and all. So if you can see here that we can declare the integer variable, we can declare the float variable like y equal to 1.7. We can even store the complete string like z equal to hello world and so on. Python even support the complex number like 5 plus 3j and all. There are various different other data type also supported by the Python like list, tuples, directories and set that we will discuss in the future videos. There is one very important thing. See, if you're coming from C or C++ background, in the C or C++, we have to first declare the variable data type. Like you have to declare integer x. So in C++, Java, basically you're telling the compiler that you want to create a variable x whose data type is integer. But this is not applicable in Python. In Python, you don't need to explicitly tell the Python that what type of variable you want to create. So if you see here, if I say x equal to 2, then basically Python will automatically assume that you want to create a integer variable. Also in Python, you can change the variable type at runtime. So suppose if I say x equal to 2, then Python will assume that you want to create an integer variable. But in the later stage, if you say x equal to 1.2, then Python will change the type from integer to float. You can create a new variable by assigning value of some other another variable also. For example, if I say x equal to 2, then I can say y equal to x. So Python will basically create a new variable y whose value will be same as x, which is 2. Similarly, you can create a variable like z equal to x plus 3. In this case, Python will first execute the statement x plus 3, which will return 5. Then the value 5 will be assigned to variable z. Let me open the idle ID, then we will see some of the example. So you can see here, we can create a variable like x equal to 2. I can say y equal to 2.1. I can say z equal to x plus y. Now if I try to print z, it will say 4.1. So basically here we created a new variable z by adding two variable x and y. Also if you seen here earlier x was a integer variable 2. Now if I say suppose x equal to 2.5, it will be accepted by interpreter. Now if I try to check print x, you can see it is showing me 2.5. So at the runtime we basically change the data type of x. Also, if also as I mentioned that Python support the complex variable. So suppose if I say a equal to 1 plus 2j, print a, you can see here. So a is basically the complex number whose real part is 1 and the imaginary part is 2. Similarly, we can create a string variable. I can say h equal to hello world, print h. You can see here. So h is the string here whose value is hello world. We will learn the different operations available for the integer and string and all in the future videos. That's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.